Hello, and welcome to my sandbox as I use this to demonstrate my HMS123 Dynamics Group Communication Plan for the fall semester. I welcome you to take a minute to become familiar with the content and structure of this course. As you can see, we have several areas in our table of contents, and we'll begin by taking a look at the Welcome to Class, which provides you an overview of information important for your success in this course. Here you will find information about me as your instructor, the course syllabus and departmental policies, the anticipated course schedule and expectations, and resources for your success. As your instructor, I'm very excited to be working with you and look forward to supporting your education as we embark on a journey of understanding dynamics of groups in human services. You are always welcome to email me, and if needed, I've provided my Google Voice number. You can typically expect emails to be replied within 24 hours, but if you have an urgent academic need, you can text me for a more immediate response. Next, we'll take a look at the syllabus for the course. The syllabus and class policies are posted here for your review to help you better understand the expected learning outcomes and to clarify how the department will support your success and help meet our expectations of your performance for this class. The anticipated course schedule is posted as the Fall 2020 schedule. This outlines materials that will be covered each week, dates that journal assignments are due, your exam days, and project deadlines for your midterm and final project. Note that this course is based on teamwork and groups. You will be assigned to a group and you will be expected to work with that group for the duration of this course. Your attendance at the weekly session is vital for the success of your group and your ability to master the material for this course. A highlight of course expectations will show that together we will work on effective communication. A textbook is required for the class, and that information will be available through the Delaware Tech Bookstore website. I look for open communication and need you to let me know if you are struggling with meeting expected deadlines. Rubrics for the group projects will be posted in the grade section. And as I mentioned, attendance is very important for this course. Your grade will be based on the following items: 7 journal assignments worth 20% of your grade, 3 exams worth 30% of your grade, and 2 projects, a midterm and a final project, both worth 25% of your grade. All journal assignments must be submitted through D2L. Your exams and projects will take place in a group class environment. As far as communication, you can expect from me weekly announcements to prepare you for the upcoming week material. I will review and grade your journals, and you can use these as opportunities to reflect on your learning and the progress your group is making. Course schedule changes will be posted as announcements, and a revised schedule would also be posted. Please check and use your email. Your success and the success of your team is based on your ability to read and respond to email, and in some cases, text communication. If at any time you are unsure of an expectation or assignment, please ask. Questions will help you become a better leader and a better learner. Next, we'll take a look at some student resources. Through student resources, you will find areas helpful to you as a Delaware Tech student, including the library, ways we are supporting students in need, disability support services, as well as technology support. This course will feature weekly modules that will provide a copy of the week's PowerPoint presentation and any supplemental resources. You will find information for each of your projects in the Projects module. Once again, I look forward to learning with you this semester and being a resource for your success.